Okay, hey guys, this is my second recording for this. Those are not candy. So I'm here with my friend Nova. Yes, queen. And as you can see, I bought some new shiz. And we've recolored our dorm. Now I'm actually gonna make a troll. I learned how to fill your frickin' dormitory up with kettles. And you know, I'm a British woman, so this works with me. This is gonna take so long because you gotta like kettle after kettle. Let's put one on the seat. That is literally everything I've ever wanted and more. I'm joking about that, by the way, but that is literally amazing. Yeah, wait. I can totally make a Facebook meme out of this. Look at this. Okay, wait. When you're like out to get food, but you're like you're creeped out by the boy next to you, feeling like he's gonna like attack you or something, so you like literally in every possible way stay away from him but still sit down. That's like the best. To me, that's the best. That would be the best thing ever. I don't have Twitter, so I couldn't tweet that out, but I could like post it on Insta and be like, hey. That is just okay. Wait. Ow. Christmas tree. Well, duh. Dude, I'm gonna say.
Both. Well, let's just start with barbecue.
Well, duh. It's a tree. Well, duh, it's a tree. I'm so mean. Okay, wait. Actually, nah, I gotta show you the poses. Okay, this is the first pose. I don't know why she didn't just decide to do this on her own dorm. You can do this one. This one over here. Okay, wait. Let's wait for it to load in. Yep. This pose. Yep. As Nova is showing us. It's gonna change. Oh, yeah. You can be, like, super depressed in that one. Oh, my God. Okay, wait. I tried to do that one, and it didn't work. Okay. You can also, I can't find any other ones. Come on, where did they all go? Die. I don't like this. Okay, there's that sleeping pose, like Nova showed us before. But remember, this is my dorm. Oh my God, you can do like the cutest freaking Christmas tree Insta selfie ever. I'm doing that later. Don't steal my ideas. Okay, wait. If we go to this kettle chair, look at this. We're supposed to be able to, basically, there's an animation for you to jump on to this part or this part of the thing, of the couch. It's kind of dangerous because you're jumping over fire. You're gonna like set your stomach on fire. You're gonna have to like pat your hair and everything down. Nova, I swear. Nova. No, wait. N-O, Nova. What did you do? Nova, what did you do? Oh my God, she set my apartment on fire. How dare you? I swear. This is my angry noise. Yeah. Dude, my couch is on fire. This house is on fire. This house is on fire. This is the cutest tea party ever. Oh my gosh. Cybernova, hashtag Cybernova fam. Yes, queen. I don't know why why? I don't know why. Okay. I might be AFK because I'm posting meh video I made. I'm gonna say I'm almost DONE. I'm gonna say I'm almost done. Okay, so yeah, that's basically, those are ways you can destroy your house. First of all, you can flood it, set it on fire. Yeah, here's another cool feature. Okay, if you come in here, yeah, in here. Okay, so there's working makeup, like completely animated makeup that you can actually grab and put in your inventory. If you sit in here, look, it comes out. Yeah, wow, so cool, sister. I'm Sister Shook. So also, there's a switch here to turn on the lights, turn them on and off. There's that. Bathtub lights need to die. Shut off. Shut off. Go away. Leave now. Forever. Okay. We're just gonna do that. Okay, whatever. We have our pate. Oh my god, that's the cringiest thing I've done all day. Oh my gosh. Okay. Ah! She's AFK. I'm just gonna say ha 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 ha. No, no. I'm freaking scared. Oh my god, another cute Instagram post. Oh, and you can shut the candles. What does that mean? Okay, wait. You can shut the candles on and off. Do it. Come on. They won't shut off and on. I need to demonstrate for the viewers. I told you to work. Just do it right. Do it right. Nova is literally gonna burn down my apartment because she left my flipping candles on. How dare she? Okay, I'm gonna turn on this candle because it looks like vibes, like they all others say. Also, don't forget to sub to my my main channel, Beanie Boo, Art Animation Studios. Upload, okay. Oh my god. I love this Christmas tree so flippin' much. My gosh, I love the whole, like, it looks kind of like that barn, but like the modern barnish, kind of like candy canes. This actually looks like candy cane stuff, and that fits the holiday season very well, because this apartment is very white. That sounded kind of weird. And, you know, now white and red. Yeah. Yeah, queen. Yeah. There's a cup of tea here. Oh, yay! We got some books, huh? Books all up in here, sisters. Oh, yeah, books. We got books in here, sisters. This is not the brightest place either. We can open these things. Die. I swear. This closet. Guess what? I keep like pushing myself with the doors. Look at this. That's all I've been doing all day. You can have body towels, head towels. I don't know what else. There's hampers, which you can't do anything with. They should make it like really realistic. You can like put items you get. You can like go and buy like things you need, and you'll get needs for like yourself, your friends, maybe like your pets and stuff. Maybe they should make pets, and then like they have needs. But, like, you can, like, go out and actually buy stuff. They, like, make a grocery store. That would actually be really cool if they made, like, a grocery store and everything. Okay. He is the thing. The thing. Yes, queen. The thing. I love the loo. It's a delicious sleep. Oh my god. This is beautiful. Look at this. I love that wood so much. That's so cool. I love the look of like the quartz and stuff. I'm gonna close one of these doors. That's just, I need to get my doors fixed. Whenever I close and open my doors, they go Okay, let's go. This is what happens. I do that. Okay. Okay. You can get like literally you can get you can level up and actually like what is it? You can actually like level up. You can actually, like I said, when you sleep, like the more tired you are when you sleep, once you get to 100, so if you're at 0 to 100, if you jump out of the bed, it'll give you like full XP. It'll give you about like around 100 XP, and it'll actually level you up. Look at this. Look, it like completely, see, look at this little thing over here, see? I'm getting my 600 diamonds. Now, usually you would get 300 if you don't have the 2 times more diamonds thing, so, yeah. I have like 50 million tea kettles in here. Don't ask why. Just keep going. I'm gonna show you also how to like change the color of your dorm if you don't already know. You click on the paint bucket in the closet right over there. But now I'm gonna make pink. I'm gonna make everything this pretty pink. Beautiful, sisters. Wow. Nice. Beautiful. Wonderful. Yay. I hate this pattern. It's so ugly. I want a cute cat pattern, not an ugly dot pattern. Ugly. And okay, also, I'm sorry, but this arrangement is kind of weird. You have a fireplace inside of your couch, basically. It's kind of weird. Like, you know what I mean? Okay. Wait. Anyways, you know what? Thank you, my little Saphies, for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Anyways, thank you for watching, my little sapphires. Good. Bye-bye.